Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one and only Great Dane, back with day 535 Star Drop opening. Starting off with the day 3 daily Star Drop gift. Again, I just really dislike these event calendars the way they do it, where it literally forces you to open it up again, so you have to claim the reward before you can even do anything else. So again, just depending on what I'm doing, I may end up having to open these at the end of other videos again, just because the timing of it. It's every 23 hours. Again, it's just a very specific, inconvenient way that they do it. I don't understand why I can't just let you claim them yourself, but anyway. You have a rare 50 coins. I think the first 3 are random rarity, and then the rest are guaranteed, I think. Again, it shows the rarities on them, so I assume it at least has to be that much, but it might be guaranteed rare tomorrow. Not expecting too much out of that. And again, does it really make a difference? Because you can't get a common star drop, and that's something people have wondered about for a while, but again, I still have to get my 8 daily wins to open up the 3 daily star drops, so I'll be back in a second. Alright. Back with the 3 daily star drops. Let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with the rare 50 coins.
Super rare.
Super rare 200 XP doublers.
Epic.
And we have an epic. 100 power points. Again, maybe that'll be useful in the future when you can actually use the darn things. Again, we have arcade coming up in about 5 days. We have Bot Drop Quadrants. We have Spirit Wars, Infernal Invasion. I actually might consider playing that to get more trophies on Penny. Wipe out 5v5 Riverbank Crossing. And we have Knockout Tiny Islands. Actually, I was going through the older videos uploading them all, and it's taken me so long to upload those videos that this map has come back into rotation. Oh my god. Well, again, if you guys haven't noticed, as I just stated, or you can even see it here, I'm getting all my brawlers up to a very specific trophy amount. Actually, a lot of them are higher than I thought they'd be. I'm not actually aiming for 1030, but as you guys probably know, Buzz Lightyear's trophies, the matchmaking counts as the amount of trophies that you have, but they don't count towards your actual trophy amount. And his trophies apparently reset back to 1,000 at the end of the season, even though we only have Buzz for, I believe, till the end of next season, but we do have him longer than the end of this season. And I forget exactly where it shows how long we have Buzz. Oh, it says right there. It's on the bottom of the screen. Active until February 4th. So yeah, we have him for at least one more season, but what's really good thing that you can do is get Buzz to at least 1,000 of these max tier trophies, and then when the next season comes, you get to keep 1,000 of them. That's, again, for a point of reference here, if you get Buzz to 1,000, you already get the red trophy box by the end of next season. Just to start, you already have that. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to push up to 3,000 to get the possibility of a hypercharged skin by the end of the season. I have approximately, not a lot of time, about 5 days. It's certainly possible, and again, easier to do with Buzz, but the best thing I can do is push the majority of my brawlers up to 1,000, because again, they won't ever fall below 1,000 unless I lose a bunch of matches. So hopefully I can get a bunch of them up to 1,000. I don't know if I'll get most of them. Again, it just depends on how close I come to the end. I might end up just playing Buzz Lightyear a lot if I don't have enough time, because getting 200 trophies and these brawlers where it doesn't count towards the box takes significant amount of time. And again, 5 days just isn't a lot. And again, it's not like I'm just playing Brawl Stars all day either, so again, let's see what we have going on in this shop. Oh, that's right. we have this spray thing. I saw the advertisement for this on YouTube, or at least someone made a comments about it. It's a tiki head, no? Or it's those. It's the statues you found on Easter Island. I'm not sure why we have a spray of that, but we do. We have El Rey Primo at 50% off. Again, I think that was in yesterday, but I wouldn't consider spending gems on that. I don't think. Oh, we actually do have. I don't know why all these are in the shop, but they are here if you guys wanted these esports items. Last chance. I'm not really sure what that means, if they're going away forever or something. I still don't think I'd spend gems on them. Again, I do watch esports, but I really only care about the NA tribe team just because, you know, I'm NA myself. So again, we have that there. We have World Finals Leon, which I'm sure will come back in the shop eventually. Again, just don't want to pay full price. We have a daily freebie of 15 coins, as well as 5 credits. And as of today, I have 2,803 XP doublers and 111,691 power points. There is one quick thing I want to do before ending off the video though. I'll be back in just a second. Alright, so I talked about this before, but looks like I've got 10 gems. And what I was trying to do for Christmas is Supercell creators, again from the platform, were given the ability to give away 3 additional presents. I was able to claim my own link, but by the time I posted it with the QR code, I don't know if you guys necessarily had time to use it before it expired. There is at least one free present you can get off of the Supercell Store if you guys haven't claimed that yet, as well as 10 gems. So I just want to remind you guys to do that before New Year so you could get those free rewards. Again, when I back out here, so hopefully we get something good. Oh wow, oh my god. Was it a guaranteed legendary? I've seen other people getting really good things in the comments too. Hopefully it's something really good. Oh well, it was still legendary, 1,000 coins. Again, hopefully you guys get a legendary too out of the one free present. Some people are saying it's rare. I probably just got really lucky. Didn't get anything too crazy, but still 1,000 coins. But yeah, again, let me know if you guys have claimed it already, if you get anything good, and if you're excited for this Pizza Planet thing coming up in 5 days. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.